know. I know you got those same makeup brushes that you've been using for 10 and 15 years, girls. Time to throw them away. Okay, let's throw them away. Let's get some new things. Hey guys, let's talk makeup brushes. Because I know you got them same makeup brushes you've been using for 10, 15 years, girl. It's time to throw them away. Okay, let's throw them away. Let's get some new ones. The first makeup brush that you need is foundation brush or kabuki brush. Foundation brush, basically, it should have like a flat surface, okay? So this would be considered a foundation brush. Like every girl should need a foundation brush in their makeup kit if they're going to be applying foundation. Have a foundation brush. This is from Real Techniques and not much fluffiness to it. That's what you want in a foundation brush, okay? So when I say fluffiness, I mean something like this would be considered fluffy. This would be considered too fluffy to apply foundation. Let's apply our foundation. I have some foundation on my mirror here to apply it. So when you are applying your foundation with your foundation brush, you always want to make sure that you're patting that foundation in, okay? You never want to just swipe. And as you can see, I'm working in sections. I'm doing this side first to get me more of an even layer, and then I want to go in on the other side of my face. This just creates that more even layer. And then the next brush that you will need in your makeup kit, a bronzing brush to use when you want to use your bronzer or your contour. With your bronzer brush, it always should have like a slant. Do you see how it's carved a little bit? It's not like a straight, it's kind of have that carved out slanted look to it. Some brushes you can use different ways, multiple ways, so you don't have to use it for what it says it's used for. I'm going to use it as my bronzer brush to kind of bronze up my skin. I'm going to go in with my favorite face palette, y'all already know. Kind of warm up my skin. Alrighty girls, so far the two brushes that we have gone over is our foundation brush. We have gone over our bronzer brush. Next brush that we are going to go over is our blush brush, girl. Now if you are a blush girly like I am, I love blush, okay? Blush is my favorite thing, so that is what I'm going to be showing you guys, is a different type of blush brush that you can use. This brush is more fluffy. It's not as big like a foundation brush. This is what I use for my powder blush to kind of just powder it on. And then this is for like my cream. As you can see, it's flat, perfect to kind of blend out that blush. So I'm gonna go in with this brush first. Tap it on. Still using that tapping motions, right? To tap. Okay, so the next makeup brush that you will need in your makeup kit is concealer brush. Typically, I like to use beauty blenders, but I want to incorporate concealer brushes just in case if you are a girl who wants to use a concealer brush over a beauty blender, then this is for you. I have a couple different concealer brushes that you can use. This brush right here is kind of very fluffy. It has that curve to it, and it's kind of small, so it's perfect to get underneath those eyes. Perfect for that, girl. I purchased this concealer brush from Shein. Get multiple in a pack. Also have this type of concealer brush. This is from Morphe. It's more so kind of more chubby. I call it my chubby brush, okay? It's way more fatter, as you can see, than this one. You see the difference in those? So it all depends on what you prefer. The chubbier brush right here is kind of going to give you more. So I have that one. Then I also have this. This is more so of a higher end brush, girls. It's from Patrick Ta. This is his concealer brush. It's a double-ended brush. So I don't know, you may be a girl who likes double-ended brushes because you can use these multiple ways. You have more the fluffy side, where this is probably more so for your powder, to add your powder to set that concealer. And then you have like, it's kind of the same, these are kind of like the same type of brush to it. Do you see that? So this is not double-ended, this one is. So it has that fluffiness to it as well. So all depends on what you prefer. I usually use concealer brushes on my clients, but for me, Give me a beauty blender. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna place this right in here. And with our concealer brush, and the same thing, you just want to tap this in. Just tap it. I'm kind of liking this makeup look already. It's so cute.
I wanna be with you. 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 If I didn't ride blade on curl, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you?
Alrighty, so I'm gonna go in with my Glossier. This is their Seamless Cheek Color Blush Cloud Paint in the shade Soar. What it looks like, so cute, so pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with my brush and just pat it in. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Same thing over here. Alrighty girls, so this is the completed look. Good. But let me know how you like this eyeshadow look, and if you enjoyed this video, comment down below with a pink heart if you have made it to the end of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, girl, okay? Subscribe, and I will be talking with you guys later. Hope you have a great day, and hopefully we will talk soon. Bye, girl.